Hi, my name is Vineet and I'm here to explain how to use Google Plus Hangout. In order to use a Google Plus Hangout, you need three things. Number one, a Google Plus account. Number two, a webcam. And number three, a microphone. This is how a Google Plus account will look like. Now, on the right side of the screen, there is a box. Below that is the Google Hangout box, and below that box you can see an icon that is start a video hangout. So click on that and the Google Hangout screen pops up. So now in this box you can add your circle, you can add the people who you want to talk to, who you want to share, who you want to hang out with. So for demo purpose I will okay. So now this is how after once you add people you want to hang out with, you send them an invitation. Once the invitation is sent, so if the other person is online, he will come on the screen. His video will also pop up on the screen. By that time I will explain to you the other features of Google Hangout. Okay, the first feature of Google Hangout is at one same time you can hang out with 10 people at one time, so which is a very big benefit because you can share your files, you can update your information all at the same time to 10 people. The other benefits are, if you see on the left side of the screen here, there are some icons. Okay, the first icon is the chat icon. When you're talking to around 9 to 10 people, it is really difficult to keep track of who is chatting what. So it can be little confusing when you're talking to such a big group of people and you're using chat. But then the other thing that you can do with chat is that if you want to share any link, or if you want to share a URL, you can do that using this icon. So you just have to copy paste that link on this icon. The icon below that is screen share. For example, if your tender has let's say created a new website for F&N, and they want to show it to you and it's not online yet, so what they can do is that they can do a screen share of that website, and then they can put it on Google Hangout. So with this icon we can see how the new website will be looking like. So if there is any changes that is required or not, we can tell them at that same moment. The icon below that is capture. With the help of capture you can take pictures, you can take images. Let's say if there is a new product shot that needs to be taken and that needs to be posted online, what we can do is that we can take a product shot using this icon, and then we can we can share it with the tender, so they can keep up they can update the website at the same time. So this will help us to keep the website on time. The icon below that is a remote desktop. This icon can be used in case of IT purpose. For example, let's say we need to install a new software or a new app. So with the help of this software, the IT guy does not need to come to our office and then install the software. What he can do is he can with the help of this remote desktop icon, we will allow him to access our desktop, and with that he can install the software by sitting in his own office, thus saving time for both of us. The link below that is a YouTube link. While hanging out or while talking, while doing the group chat, we can simultaneously watch a YouTube video. At the same time we can share that YouTube video in this using this icon. So all in all, Google Hangout is a very important asset to the company, and with the help of this app, a lot of things can be achieved and a lot of things can be saved from getting wasted. Thank you.